Looking for a lightweight crypto wallet? We've got you covered. In today's video, we'll talk about SimpleHold, the best crypto wallet created by the SimpleSwap team. Let's roll! SimpleHold is a light wallet that was created with the main focus on safety and usability. It is a mobile app for Android and iOS that supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many other cryptocurrencies. The wallet is free from sign-up and there is no need to provide any private data. Let's take a look at SimpleHold's main advantages. It's a non-custodial wallet. Data leakage is still a crucial issue in the crypto industry, and to protect users from losing funds, our wallet neither collects personal data nor asks for the KYC procedure. This makes you an absolute ruler of all your keys in crypto. It is very secure. AES encrypted backups guarantee the safety of your private keys. There's also a passcode feature for protecting funds from any undesirable access. It's totally transparent. SimpleHold is open to security audits as anyone can see the wallet's code. SimpleHold is a multi-currency wallet. Whoever you are, a Bitcoin and Ethereum devotee, a stablecoin fan, a meme coin supporter, or any other altcoin enthusiasts, you'll find your currency. Pick any from 200 plus assets and ask for a listing if you don't find what you want. Our wallet allows you to exchange and buy crypto easily with a built-in SimpleSwap exchange. SimpleHold is NFT friendly. This means that the wallet can literally be your personal art gallery. Store and view the NFTs you bought or minted within one click. Wallet connects. You can easily connect with various D-apps of decentralized finance. Find the D-app you want to interact with, connect with a QR code or deep link, and you're ready to use it. 24/7 customer support. Leave a ticket and your request will be instantly solved. Our friendly support team is always ready to assist you. Let's have a look at how to create a BNB wallet address. Just follow these simple steps. Download a SimpleHold mobile app from App Store or Google Play. Go through our flawless onboarding. Create a new wallet. If you already have one, you can easily import it to SimpleHold. Enter a password and re-enter it to confirm. Make up your passcode. Click the plus icon and generate a new address. In the list of tokens, type BNB. Confirm the creation of an address by entering your password. Hooray! Now you have a BNB wallet. See how simple it is? Hurry up and download the SimpleHold wallet to manage all your crypto in a perfect way. In case you have any questions left, feel free to ask us in the comments below or contact our friendly support team using live chat or email, which you can find under this video.